Sunrise Boss Production.
Peace and love.
Yeah, man.
For the new year. Wait, if only you.
People were buying me stuff to your Z-Pre. I'm going to the video them because me and people were still do
Yeah, pan Foxel. That's how I been doing it. Like,
yes, sir.
peace.
Alright, it's done wash here now, you know. Time to throw some clean water upon it and rinse it off. Bike ready for the road again. Alright, it's done wash here now, you know. Yeah, man, same look. Full of soda now. Throw some fresh water upon it, you know. And rinse him off. Then we put him down for dry. Ready for the road. Yes, I throw some water upon him and rinse off back the sod. And we're good to go. So, I in this, you know, peeps. Put him down here now to make him dry off. Z-Pre. The money fully active now, man. Yeah, see that? Bicycle wash. Clean and pretty. Yes, I. Right, me ride out here now. Now, I want to find a barber shop here now. Yeah, I want to find a barber shop because I want to line up. I want to trim. Near Z-Pre. Yeah, man, so dep on my way and I go see if I can find a barber shop. Don't know how much of them trim, how much them charge. Yeah, Z-Pre. But me dep on my way now. Right, got a barber. Somebody tell me say a barber shop there down the road. You see it? And man, somebody say a barber shop there further down the road down so. Dep on my way, you know. Alright, go down there, see if me can find it. Get a nice haircut, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Fully active, man. Just subscribe to the channel. You must have said, oh, sunrise just each up in the countryside. So peeps, a whole heap of time me have here. You see, pre? Yeah, man, enough time. So but just I get been knowing in the countryside, and then I just start go out there, go start shot some video. You see, pre? But I have to know how my surroundings set first. And I realize that that's why I don't see me do now. Video out there with the tourists them there yet. You see, pre? But them there are forward over. So now worry on yourself. Everything active. Yeah, man. This are going. Yo, I should all ride up here, so. Yeah, man. Better I go up on the Curban channel. Yes, I better I go up on the Curban channel. You see, pre? The road over here narrow. See? Yeah, man. just subscribe to the channel, man. Remember, tell a friend to tell a friend. Everything active. No zippery. That is it. Yo, do some over here, so daddy. Up on here, so no charging. Barber shop. Somebody say on barber shop there's somewhere off down here, so over there's a grocery store. Barber shop me I look for. Church over there, so come like me see barber shop, you know. Come like over there, so peeps. It come like I see the barber shop. Feature the first barber. Him say him have 2 more leave. I think him say 1 more barber shop there somewhere done here, so me I go check and then me forward. If done this so full, I guess me have to forward back up here, so peeps. You see pre? Yeah, man. That a go on, man. Look you now and see me can see the next barber shop. Yep. Alright, barber shop. Barber shop. Barber shop. Over this just close stop this. Me not see no barber shop. Alright, I'll go back over on my side of the road. Cause I'm not just the side of the road here now. Go on right still, cause them have a sidewalk. You know what I like with Bahamas? I see a lot of sidewalk. So that means you walk on the side, you see pre? Yeah man. So see that right now I ride on the side, on the sidewalk. Yeah man, that me see Bahamas. It have a lot of side walk. So that means nobody enough walk on the road. Alright on the road, I guess. You see pre? Yo, I don't see a next barber shop, peeps. I don't see a next barber shop. Right, now right, go down a little bit more. And if I don't see no barber shop, I have to go back up there, so. In a real life. Hopefully, it's come like we see them have a next little plaza down there, so hopefully they have a barber shop down there. Okay, if they don't have no barber shop, I have to go back up, so. Yeah man, come like a barber shop there about. It come like a barber shop there about. It come like a barber shop there about. Yes, a barber shop there about, peeps. I think it's this. A barber shop here now, and them some for those park the bicycle here, so them I watch it. So I follow in at the shop. Yeah man. So I want to put it on my head. Well one trim. Zippy. Yeah, just there and I was sitting and wait for my turn to get in a barber chair. So whenever my turn, I'm jump on the chair. I'm going to see what time it is. Yeah, I'm fully active. The place getting dark, but me get me ear cut already. Come back and see bicycle. Barber says safe, so it's safe. So right now, I'm going to head back home here now. You see, pray. So just subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend, everything active. Yes, the palm we are right. I go back up here now. Place get dark. And place get dark. But you know, I still do my riding because I have the camera light turn on and I make the whole place bright. Yeah man, just meet up a subscriber.
Yeah man.
That is it man.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Live and block, you know. Live, Jack. Look at man.
Hey, yeah man.
Live.
Hey, we do rating here, right? We do rating here. Hey, and all about brotherly love?
No.
All about brotherly love. Right? Peace and love.
Yeah, man.
For the new year. That's how you can be. Peace and love for the new year.
When you going back, Jason?
Yeah, man, I'm gonna be here for a while, man.
Oh, you can be here for a little bit.
Yeah, man.
Me no man go
He not going nowhere, man. He not going nowhere now.
Watch this. When I see the nigga pedaling on the bicycle, I looking at the scene, you know. I
Yeah.
said, hold on, this look like foxtail.
Yeah.
Then when I see you,
Yeah.
then he going over there to the woman for breakfast.
Right.
Feel mother sick.
Wait, he following you. Yeah, he following you.
From that time, about 2 years or more, brother.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, he following you, but yeah.
Boy, the boy, a good boy.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
Yeah,
That's why I
man.
take him.
Yeah, all the time, man.
Yeah, boy.
Just Fats and Quinn, I want to knock them with something. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, man. Yes, peeps. I know I'm forward from the barber shop and I just there up here, so I go and chill. You know the barber man charge our $15 for me ear. Yeah, man, $15 I'm charge for me haircut. You know what I mean? For them style, yard man style, you know what I mean? But we just don't care reason.
She's going to come back, you see? It's going to be good.
Yeah, man.
Good night, gentlemen. And there's no who's who. Bless up, brother.
Yes, sir. See that?
Easy now, easy now. Bless up, sir.
Yeah, man.
Happy New Year.
See that? Yeah, man, more time when in a video them when you see me I give away peeps, you have people who buy me stuff too, you see pre? Yeah, man. Jenna just buy me the same way, so nothing wrong if me give away in the video them, because I have people who still do things for me too, you see pre?
The man is saying,
Yeah, man.
Powerhouse, man. See, they up on Foxel.
That's how we do it.
Live.
Yes, sir.
Peace and love.
Peace and love, man. You want to tell, man?